We begin today's list with the Ziegler Marker. One groundbreaking advancement in transportation is the TRV Z1 Mercury. This unusual vehicle has two cabins to reduce the need for turning around and is specifically made to operate in tunnels. In the event of a fire, its main purpose is to evacuate people. Fire and smoke may be quite dangerous in tunnels because they take up oxygen, which is why it's so important to get to the emergency site as soon as possible. With its all-wheel drive system, the Mercury can accelerate quickly up to 60 kilometers per hour. 12 people can fit inside along with 400 liters of water and 5 hours worth of oxygen. At number 2 we have the Trekol Arctica. The Trekol Arctica is an excellent choice if you want to go off-roading. With a payload capacity of up to 4 tons, it is the world's first wheeled vehicle designed for use in snow and swamp conditions. It can support 1.5 tons more with the addition of a trailer. You will feel secure operating it even in the Arctic due to its 53 cm of ground clearance and all-wheel drive system. With a 1.6 meter diameter, the wheels are only 10 centimeters taller than the average person. There are 21 seats in the car, which has a diesel engine producing 170 horsepower. At number 3 we have the C&M Moon Buggy Monster 2. Experts predict that the cotton market will grow to $43.96 billion, and that's more than the GDPs of North Korea, Nicaragua, and Andorra combined. Every little thing counts in the market of such high stakes, and transportation is no exception. Cotton must be handled carefully from the start of its trip because it frequently travels thousands of kilometers from its place of origin. For this reason, engineers have created vehicles such as the C&M Moon Buggy Monster 2, the most capable vehicle of its kind, with the capacity to carry up to 10 bales of cotton. With its spinning and rising cab, the Moon Buggy Monster 2 gives the operator a great viewing point for swift and careful bale transportation. At number 4 we have the Terramac RT14R. Because the chassis and the cab of the Terramac RT14R revolves 360 degrees, you will enjoy rides while operating it. This small yet mighty truck vehicle has a length of around 6 meters and a cargo capacity of up to 12.7 tons. A dump bed with 60-degree dumping angle is another aspect of it. Even though the Terramac can only go 10 km per hour, in isolated muddy locations, distance from the road, speed might not be an issue. At number 5 we have the Leafort. According to World Bank estimates, the world produces around 2 trillion tons of municipal solid garbage yearly, and this amount will only rise. Some areas will produce twice or perhaps 3 times as much rubbish by 2050 as they do now. Advanced recycling systems are being developed by engineers worldwide to prevent overpollution of garbage. Leafort's self-propelled equipment for crushing and chopping scrap metal is one example. The press and scissors have a combined maximum force of 180 and 1,250 tons respectively, depending on the model. Furthermore, operators find it easier to operate the radio control. At number 6 we have the MST Muller safety trailer. It can be difficult to put out a fire in an electric vehicle. Firefighters must use a lot of water to completely put out a fire that may rekindle even after they have put out the flames. In one incident, putting out a Tesla Model S required the use of nearly 100,000 liters of water by American firefighters. To make things simpler, the fire-prone parts of electric automobiles can now be stored and cooled down in a dedicated caravan. The MST model has a maximum water capacity of 180,000 liters. Notably in Germany and the European Union, which in August 2022 made a tragic record by losing 700,000 hectares of forest to fire, these trailers will also be helpful in battling future flames. At number 7 we have the expendable trailer. You might be quick to say no if someone asks you if you'd like to live in a trailer. Take a look at what Expandable Trailers team has to offer before moving further. You won't even realize you are in a trailer once you are inside. A variant with 62 square meters of floor space and a length of 13.6 meters is available for purchase. It only takes one person 15 minutes to set it up for luxurious lifestyle once they arrive. Since modules are used to make the trailers, production may be completed in a few months. There are several designs to pick up from, such as a lavish flat, a workplace, or even a hospital. Expandable Trailers features a 3D configurator on their website to help you see everything. At number 8, we have the Boral FMAS. Australia's road network is among the largest in the world, although just 17% of its roads are paved. This indicates that the nation's roadways require extensive maintenance. Innovative solutions based on commonly used vehicles are developed by local enterprises to avoid the inconvenience of importing specialized equipment. The Iveco Australis, for instance, is the basis for the Boral FMAS truck. It can take the place of a concrete paver, a dump truck, or a roller after modifications. It has a working width of up to 3.6 meters and can pave roads at up to 7 kilometers per hour. These cars also assist in lowering possible dangers to bridges and electrical lines, among other infrastructures. At number 9, we have the Einride Scale project. Global logistics companies are constantly searching for new technology to include. Numerous experts believe that a lot of intelligent systems will be unveiled this year, which means that people will be assisted by robots more often. One fascinating project in this area is Scale, which was created by esteemed experts from the University of Gothenburg and Toyota. The objective is to develop and evaluate methods to increase the efficiency of handling products by automating tasks. In order to do this, they are using electric cars from Einride that are permitted to drive on US highways and automated forklifts from Toyota that are used in warehouses. These cars have a 300-kilometer maximum range between charges. At number 10, we have the Circle C equipment bale stacker. Hay balers made a Circle C equipment that can please even the most discriminating farmer. In addition to mechanically grabbing and staking hay bales, the American Eagle model also organizes them into tidy, compact stacks and adapts to changing shapes. It can hold up to 18 90 by 90 centimeter bales, though its capacity fluctuates. The best thing is that all of these activities may be readily operated by one person, saving the expense of hiring a second operator. The American Eagle also unloads the bales so efficiently that they can be stacked in towers that are multiple stories high. At number 11, we have the Paveli ASTV. Being the world's top manufacturer of customized trailers, the professionals at Paveli are never idle. They have extended their supply networks from Italy, where they are based, to America and Asia within the last 40 years. Their extra model has a 23-ton cargo capacity. In addition, Paveli provides innovative solutions like trailers with a sliding framework that extends the entire length by 3 meters and a rear axle unit that can be vertically aligned when the ramp opens. Drivers of low ground clearance machines can now excel with relief following this transformation. At number 12, we have the Rosenbau E500 rescue stairs. Let's examine the Rosenbau E500 rescue stairs, which are utilized at select German airports as rescue ladders. The Rosenbau E5000 type, which is used at Hanover Airport, has an engine producing 341 horsepower and a ladder that is 5.5 meters high. It has a top speed of 105 kilometers per hour and one person can operate all of its features. Additionally, the ladder's width permits 2 persons using a stretcher. Munich Airport, meanwhile, makes use of a more sophisticated ladder from the same manufacturer that reaches heights of up to 8.5 meters. This is high enough to rescue people from even the largest aeroplane in the world, the Airbus A380. At number 13, we have the X-Cleaning. 80,000 people at a rock festival can generate as much waste as a city the same size will produce in a year. Unbelievably, thousands of ruined tents are left behind and need to be cleaned by British outdoor festivals alone. X Cleaning can help with that. Their specialty is post-event cleaning, and they bring the workers as well as specialized equipment like the Harmonies. With its strong magnets that can simultaneously pick up screws and tent pegs, this device functions similarly to a vacuum cleaner. At number 14 rather, we have the Smithscore CP30. Although it may appear simple, Smithscore's sideways tipping trailers offer a number of advantages. It takes significantly less time to dump bulk materials like sand and gravel with this configuration. Additionally, it facilitates the handling of unusual weights like fallen trees and stones. If the 30 tons of capacity of the regular CP30 trailer isn't enough, you can connect and tow up to 3 additional trailers simultaneously. On their trailers, Smithscore rather also uses low pressure tires. An additional fantastic feature is the ability to tip the load to either the left or the right. At number 15 we have the 120T OMAS recovery truck. The OMAS recovery truck and MAN TGS work together flawlessly to create a hybrid tow truck that is so amazing it could easily steal the show at any auto show. An 8x8 car with a 480 horsepower engine and the ability to tow up to 50 tons is not something you see every day. As if that wasn't enough, it also features an integrated crane that can lift up to 15-ton trucks and other automobiles. It also has 7 hydraulic winches with a combined destructive power of 210 tons and is capable of pulling a car out of a ditch. At number 16 we have the Bergmann dumper. The Bergmann engineers have shown that a dumper can be comfortable, flexible and efficient all at once. They have used an articulated frame to create a number of remarkable machines. Their air-conditioned cab allows the driver to precisely regulate loading and unloading by rotating their seats. During the procedure, the body can turn 180 degrees if necessary. With a ground clearance of 429mm or 424mm, the C815 Ace version frame flexibility is further strengthened, allowing to transport up to 12 tons at once. At number 17, we have the Fay Monville Highway Max. To say that this trailer is a workhorse for heavy carriers would be an understatement on the part of its designers. With a length of 27 meters and a weight capacity of over 113 tons, this 9-axle jumbo is nearly twice as heavy as an M1 Abrams tank, which weighs about 57 tons. Moreover, every trailer wheel has a 60-degree range of rotation, and it appears from the testing of the suspension, chassis and other parts that they are getting ready to send equipment to Mars. At number 18, we have the Dutchman. According to the Dutchman team, their vehicles are small, strong and of the highest caliber. Tree transplanting is the exclusive purpose of these trucks. The engineers devised techniques for cold forming blades and made unique steel beaks in order to accomplish this. A multi-stage cylinder was also used, guaranteeing a consistent blade speed across the whole range. These trucks can compete with larger models in terms of efficiency despite their smaller size. For example, the effectiveness of the 277cm high beak is equal to that of the 371cm counterpart. At number 19, we have the Robo Autonomous solution. Operators of wheel loaders take note. Robots are replacing you. A completely automated electric loader that can operate non-stop for the entire day has been developed by Robo and DH Technologies, greatly boosting production. Moreover, it may operate on natural gas, which results in even greater cost savings as compared to the conventional forklifts driven by a person. Up to $6,450 can be saved annually with this innovative package. This is particularly critical in light of the fact that, according to a British media outlet, 80% of contractors are facing a skilled labor shortage. At number 20 and the last one on the list, we have the Broco SL280. Have you noticed the vehicles in your city that pick up trash and wash the streets? Each year they are growing more sophisticated. This specific Mercedes-Benz is equipped with 2 tanks, and one that can carry 1,600 liters of water and the other that can transport 7 cubic meters of waste to the dump. With air conditioning to keep the cleaning crew comfortable, this vehicle satisfies the Euro 5 standard and is eco-friendly. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe so that you don't miss any of our future content. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for what we should cover next. See you in the next